Hey guys, it's Mark here, and I made this awesome software for real estate agents. And today I'm going to show you how to use our email generator. Now, we have many tools to choose from, but I just wanted to start here first. This tool to generate emails will save you tons of time, effort, and energy. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to sign up for the AIGizmo.com. Once you've signed up for the AIGizmo.com, you want to log in, and when you log in to the left, you'll see our AI writer. Now, with our AI writer, basically what you want to do is you want to see the AI writer all, and up underneath you'll see email. You click on email and you'll see the email generator. Once you click on that, at the top you have the email generator. Below you have description, subject of email, the language, and you can generate it. So for the sake and purpose of this video, I want to show you how to generate an email that you can use once you've put the information in. And as you can see, in less than 30 to 60 seconds, we have a great email that we can send to our clients. It's going to save us time and it's going to save us money. And so for all of you real estate agents out there and all of you real estate agencies that want to save time and money, we believe that the AIGizmo.com is the way to go. And we want to thank you for your time. Take care.